Future 5 is a very interesting initiative. It's something we set up last year with our friends at Octopus. There's so much change in the Marcoms world at the moment, so many emerging themes. We really wanted to narrow down to what the killer trends, the killer themes were in the market at the moment. And we wanted to find great examples of brands that were really breaking new grounds and innovating in those areas. But the 5 key trends we identified were, first of all, a big creative idea to really cut through all the clutter. We wanted to look at research and planning, the whole idea of getting insight behind campaigns. We want to look at brand partnerships as well, about collaboration between different brands. Technology also, particularly technology that makes a difference to people's lives. And finally, crowdsourcing and audience participation.
I think what's really good about Future 5 is that it champions that sort of bold spirit of innovation that is actually alive and kicking in some of the best marketing departments in the country.
Thanks very much to you all for turning up for this, the Octopus and marketing campaign Brand Republic Future 5 live event.
It's very exciting to have won the brand partnership category because it recognises the work that we've done with Network Rail in reducing suicides on the railways. Partnership with Network Rail came about to tackle the 200 suicides we have every year on the railways. Now that's not a lot in comparison with the 6,000 suicides we have in this country overall, but the consequences of a rail suicide can be devastating.
Well, it's great to win this category, the audience participation category, with these awards. I think one of the key elements this year for Electrolux Design Lab was the marriage of the brief with social media, so the project is more readily connected to different channels such as Flickr, YouTube, Facebook, so that we could actually spread the word virally and actually encourage more participants.
We're really excited to win it. It's fantastic news. It's a sort of recognition of the work that's been put in, tremendous work by everybody, and it's been successful, so we're very happy about it.
So the thing about this year, obviously it was the second year that we'd done it, so we had the chance to compare Future 5 from last year with Future 5 from this year, and what we found was that last year there were only one example of each of the trends in each of the campaigns, whereas this year there was multiple trends exhibited in each one. So I think in order to deliver the campaign of the future, I think the agency of the future is needed, and what that means for us is integrating a lot of different services together to actually make one campaign really work and be delivered all from one place.